Apparently I have to react to the song ASAP. So that's what I have been told. So this is a mashup of two songs that I really, really like. One is Starboy by Weekend. Second is Prayam Nambil. Now this is from Neeram. Now the context that I have been given is that firstly, obviously, this is a mashup, but this is an AI generated kind of video where it is from the point of view of the character of Prakash Mathew, that who was playing this character Prakash Mathew in Neeram. So I have listened to the song Prayam Nambil. I have reacted to it. Very, very nice song. He's singing on a stage. Na, 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 na. That's the tune of the song. So all of that I'm aware of. I'm very, very excited to listen to this mashup. And apparently it's going viral in Kerala. So thank you for recommending this to me, and I don't want to delay this any further. Let's listen to the song right away.
എനിക്ക് പ്രാന്താണ് എപ്പോഴും ഈ
So
പുള്ളിയുടെ
this
പഴയ
is
പാട്ടും
this is on the
കേട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
6-8
എനിക്കൊല്ല പുതിയ പാട്ടും
channel.
കേട്ടൂടെ?
അത് എനിക്ക് ഈ പുള്ളി ആരാന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാത്തതിന്റെ പ്രശ്നമാണ്. മേരിയ വാസുവിൻ എന്നുള്ള പരിപാടിയിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് വിന്നറാണ്.
Are these the dialogues from the film? Because I have not watched this film, though you guys have told me that Neeram is a really, really nice film to watch. So, and it's very interesting that this is from this character, Prakash Mathew, the character in this film, from his point of view, because it says the untold story of Prakash Mathew from Neeram, 90s tribute. This is so exciting. Okay.
പുള്ളി ഇപ്പങ്ങ് ഗ്ലോബലാണ്. പുള്ളി പിടിച്ചാ കിട്ടൂല. അമേരിക്കക്ക് കെൻഡ്രിക്കും എമിനും ഡ്രേക്കൊക്കെ ഉള്ള പോലെ നമുക്കും ഉണ്ടല്ലേ ഒരാള്, പ്രകാശ് മാത്യു.
The star boy. Okay. Oh.
I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Nelly point two just to hurt you. All red lamb just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Yeah, main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too.
Oh, that is so cool. Wait, let me go back. I have to appreciate that. AI has become crazy, na? Huh? Should I train an AI model and instead of me here, the AI is going to do the reaction? How? I don't know how that's going to work, but I feel that something like this is probably going to happen. What do you guys think, huh?
These toys on lease
I should
too.
build an avatar
Made
of
your whole
myself.
year in a week too. Yeah,
Look at that. That's
main
so
bitch out of
realistic.
your league too. Side bitch out of your
Wow.
league too. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks of table come from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, but I love my baby.
My goodness, that is. Wow.
You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. Switch on my core, I kill any pain.
പ്രായം നമ്മിൽ മോഹം നൽകി, മോഹം കണ്ണിൽ പ്രേമം നൽകി, പ്രേമം നെഞ്ചിൽ രാഗം നൽകി, രാഗം ചുണ്ടിൽ ഗാനം നൽകി, ഗാനം മൂളാനീണം നൽകി, ഈണം തേടും
Oh my God, this is so good, huh?
താളം തട്ടി താളക്കൊമ്പത്തൂഞ്ഞാലാടി.
Let a nigga bracket, legend of the fall, took the year like a bandit. Bought mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek roof in the
This
rain.
AI editing is
Girls get
so
loose when
good,
they hear
yeah.
the song. 100 on the dash, get me close to God. We don't pray for love, we just pray for cause.
Prakash Mathew becoming the global sensation, huh?
പ്രായം നമ്മിൽ മോഹം നൽകി, മോഹം കണ്ണിൽ പ്രേമം നൽകി, പ്രേമം നെഞ്ചിൽ രാഗം നൽകി, രാഗം ചുണ്ടിൽ ഗാനം നൽകി, ഗാനം മൂളാനീണം നൽകി, ഈണം തേടും നീറക്കണ്ടിൽ കാറ്റിൻ കൈകൾ താളം തട്ടി താളക്കൊമ്പത്തൂഞ്ഞാലാടി.
Even the editing is amazing. The video. Oh wow, 6-8. needs to be applauded. Big applause for 6-8. But that would have taken some editing skills, man. That was so good. Okay, let me stop this. Yeah, no wonder this song is kind of going viral in Kerala. And I would say it's not really because of the mashup, because the mashup more leans towards Starboy in terms of its musicality and everything. And Pranam Nambil, you can hear it in parts. That's it. But it is the video. It is the video which is really beautifully done. The editing, it's very dynamic. And it is obviously for this character, a tribute to this particular character from a film that was so freaking popular. So I think the whole packaging of this video is what makes this a complete standout and why this has gained so much virality. I think the way the AI has been used here to superimpose the face of that actor, I forget his name, but it's done so freaking well. As just the whole vibe of this character that, you know, he went on to become this global sensation as a singer, I think that has been captured really well. So yes, thank you so much. I completely understand why you guys recommended this to me. Though I would have loved if the mashup had given equal weightage to both the songs. Yes, I didn't keep this on silent. I'm sorry. So yes, as I was saying, if both the songs were given equal weightage, that would have been great. But it's fine. Because Starboy is a song which I really like. So I still enjoyed it a lot. So yes, thank you once again, as I said, for recommending this to me. If there are any more mashup songs like this, I love listening to mashups, by the way, because it kind of really brings out the creativity of the creator, because it's not very easy to fuse two songs together. It takes a lot of thinking, it takes a lot of thought over there, that which portions are going to get fused, that it becomes a seamless song, because you're taking two completely different songs and putting them together. So that also takes a lot of thought and talent. So if you think that there are certain mashups that I can listen to, maybe not react, but at least I can listen to, please let me know in the comments. And yes, with that, I will end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.